Hi everybody, I'm Scott Maskin. I'm CEO of SUNation Solar Systems, and this message is being sent to the 127 community solar off-takers of Apolo 1 and Apolo 2. That's the site that we've already built and is sitting waiting to be turned on to send power to your homes. What I wanted to tell you is that we are in this together. Right now the system is ready to turn the switch on. It's fully installed. More than that, I have a significant loan out on that system, and I am paying interest payments, yet I am not getting any revenue from the system. To be quite honest, this is the first one of this caliber, of this size, that has been installed in PSE&G territory. Because of that, there is a lot of correlation between PSE&G, the host site, easements so that PSE&G can get onto the site, and the recording of these deed covenants with the county. So we're caught in this legal maze. We've already been approved by PSE&G. They like what we've given them. Now it goes out to the county. Then it has to be reapproved and signed off on. So the reality is this is probably going to happen in the early part of 2019. Again, I appreciate your patience in this. Again, I haven't asked for anything from you but patience. So please bear with us. I look forward to shipping you power from that site. So please, if you have any questions, you can call me on my cell phone, 631-831-3064, or feel free to email at smaskin@sunation.com. I wish you and your families a happy holiday season, and I can't wait to start sending you power. Thank you.